In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change date format in Google Sheets. First, open your spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Make sure the sheet that contains the dates you want to change is visible. If your dates live in a single column, it's best to format that whole column at once so everything stays consistent. Next, highlight the column that contains the dates. The quickest way is to click the column letter at the top so every cell in that column is selected. If your dates are scattered, you can also drag to select a specific range. A quick tip here, formatting only changes how the date looks, not the underlying value. That means your formulas, sorting, and filtering will still work correctly after you apply a new format. Now, go to the top menu and click Format. This is where Google Sheets keeps all number, date, and time styles. From there, choose Number. You'll see a list of common formats, but for full control over how your dates appear, choose Custom Date and Time. The custom formatter lets you pick exactly what you want to display. For example, you can choose a format like month, day, year, month, year, or year, month, day. You can also add details like the full month name, a 3-letter month, the day of the week, or include time. If you don't need the time, simply remove the time components so you're only showing the date. As you build your format, look at the preview at the top of the dialog. It updates live so you can confirm the result before you apply it. If you prefer leading zeros for days and months, select the 2-digit options. If you want a cleaner look, pick the single-digit versions. When you're happy with the way your date looks, click Apply. Google Sheets will immediately update the selected cells to the new format. If you selected an entire column, any new date you enter in that column will adopt the same format automatically. A couple of helpful notes. If your dates don't change after applying a format, the cells might be stored as text instead of true dates. You can spot this if the values are left aligned by default or if formatting doesn't have any effect. Converting them to real dates will allow the format to work. Also, if you ever see a plain number like 44951, that's a valid date stored as a serial number. Applying a date format will display it correctly. And if you prefer month names or week names in a specific language, custom formats can show them, and your spreadsheet locale can influence the default style. That's it. Your dates are now clean, consistent, and easy to read.